36 years old Filipino-Chinese, pambato ng tagig sa Mrs. Universe Philippines 2026. Tuluyan ang ipinakilala sa mga miyembro ng press at pageant media ang 36 anyos na Filipino-Chinese na si Scarlett Chua bilang official representative ng Taguig City sa gaganaping Mrs. Universe Philippines 2026. Si Scarlett ay mother of 3 at nagtapos ng pag-aaral sa Chiang Kai-shek College. Sa press conference, inamin ni Scarlett na first time niyang sumali sa pageant at long-time dream niya na mag-iisang beauty queen.
Since I was young, it was one of my dreams to be a beauty queen. And now I'm here as a candidate of Mrs. Universe Philippines, representing Taguig City. Instead of giving up, focus on becoming the best version of yourself while waiting for the right time. And I believe my time is now.
Sinabi pa nito na marami siyang challenges na kinaharap sa kanyang pagsali sa Mrs. Universe Philippines.
Very challenging for the part is to really give my time and a lot of sacrifices and discipline and continuous self-improvement po. Kasi mga before na hindi ko pa nagagawa, ngayon ang dami kong na-learn how to pose like a beauty queen or how to respond and how to really walk as well wherever I go. Kasi I have to parang get used to it na rin.
Sa nasabing press con din, hinangaan si Scarlett ng mga miyembro ng media at pageant press matapos nabigyan ito ng halaga ang kanyang kasambahay.
I really dedicated my life to be the best mother I can be for the past 6 years. And now, I entrusted it with my nannies, our trusted nannies, our children, na alam po namin na maalagaan po nila ng mabuti. Kaya po, I am very thankful and blessed to have them in my life. And konti-konti, nagagawa ko na po yung mga pangarap ko simula bata.
Dahil dito kung kaya't hindi napigilan ng kanyang nani na maiyak dahil sa pagpapahalaga ni Scarlett sa kanila.
Ipinapamalaki po namin kayo. Good luck po, ma'am. Excited na kami makita yung corona na maisuot. Pero kahit ano mangyari, ma'am, you're the best, ma'am. Queen namin lahat ng Chua Angels. We love you so much, ma'am. We need to trust in God. I always praying for you. Thank you so much sa inyo, sir. Sa mga family niyo po, sa mga relatives, thank you so much. I'm so blessed talaga.
Oh, thank you so much po.
Kaugnay nito, nagbigay din ng message of support ang mister.
We're really happy with my wife that she's joining in this pageant. It's been her dream since she's a little kid. And, you know, whatever happens, win or you don't win, she's always the Mrs. Universe of our family.
Kapatid, close friends at ang mismong National Director ng Mrs. Universe Philippines na si Maria Charo Calalo Laude.
Sana ipagpatuloy mo yan and yung love mo sa organization ng Mrs. Universe Philippines ay nandyan. Manalo ka o hindi, you're still the winner of Mrs. Universe Taguig and hopefully, let's pray to God na sana lahat naman kayo panalo. I love you. O, diba? Happy ako and proud na anak ko siya sa Mrs. Universe Philippines. The one and only Mrs. Universe Philippines.
Mga kalaban ni Scarlett para sa titulong Mrs. Universe Philippines 2026 ang 10 iba pang mga empowered na Pilipina. At iyan aking balita, ako si Attorney and you are watching The News Watch.